I now invite Dr. Monique Kamath. She is the MSF SARA board president to give the vote of thanks.
Thank you. Thank you. It's one of those days, my God, where you don't want these conversations to end. And as a medical personnel who's so hardcore into medical field with MSF, I think you just want these conversations to go on, and the hunger for more and more and more and more just continues. All the same, good evening to everybody. And of course, I take this opportunity to congratulate and thank all of you who have made these 2 days a big success. We at Scientific Asia Conference show our solidarity in supporting research and innovation in our projects. It's a proud feeling to be with MSF, which aims to improve outcomes and find efficiencies and create a culture of best practice through knowledge sharing. Like every year since the year 2015, we've had the opportunity to discuss the issues pertaining to immense relevance to this region. Research subjects, such hard and difficult medical topics, such as behavioral science technology in prevention of violence in healthcare setup. These are subjects that have always crossed our minds, that what is the technical knowledge and how do we implement better in these kind of scenarios. We have always implemented live streaming of discussions to widespread the knowledge to far-end projects and listeners. I thank the presenters, some of whom are MSF internal skills and some are external experts, who have so openly presented reformative scientific knowledge, topics which are intense, such as domestic violence, which is a huge learning regarding various outcomes and take-home messages on how women's access to domestic violence services in a clinical setup can be made successful. Of course, it's a unique model of care. TB research in Kandahar clinics have opened our eyes that services for women suffering from TB has to be more individualized, closer to home, definitely a decentralized model, so that women do not drop out from treatment. Our esteemed panelists who joined us from around the globe for steering discussions on decolonizing global health to an optimum outcome towards new learning. The key takeaway, which we all found, is de-incentivizing research conversations. That is very essential to dismantle this global health maze. Inputs from panelists with immense experience, with interesting insights on coronavirus and health systems. It will definitely bring new learning as to how we can strengthen our local resources and knowledge management systems to grow in healthcare given our weaknesses and strengths within this region. The responses illustrate the impact of the use of technical knowledge. We have faced difficult times with the pandemic in the last months, which included programmatic commotion and impacts on care, and yet we have served our obligation to our patients. As MSF South Asia, we advocate that we in this region look at various research-based models pertaining exclusively to health problems within the region. I conclude with a strong wish on behalf of MSF South Asia that I sincerely hope all the knowledge gathered at this esteemed Congress is disseminated to the implementing teams. Lastly, I thank the team of Scientific Day, which has conducted this online event faultlessly and relentlessly worked for it. With humility, I state that significant learning from these conversations is about our core values, where we need to define and co identify with people whom we speak about so proudly and the journeys of our patients, their sufferings, which are not driven by global agendas, but closely related to our needs of South Asia. Difficult topics such as HCV, palliative care that we've spoken about in the last 2 days have opened our eyes to several different issues that probably we as physicians, as medical people, as frontline workers need to take into consideration. I'm sure year on year, various partners and frontline workers will be enabled to serve our patients better with added new learning, valor, vigor of this new knowledge. in the end, of course. I thank all of you for making this event successful, for being with us all through. And year on year, we look forward to your presence and new learning that we bring across. Thank you.